Hello everyone, myself Jashwant. Today I'm here to explain how to download VS Code for Python. Without any delay, let's dive into the video. First, open Chrome and search for Python and open this link and go to the downloads and download Python 3.14.6. After completing this, let's search another application called VS Code. As my system is Windows, I'm downloading Windows. It's been downloading, so let's open Python, the last application that we downloaded. After this, click these two and press install now. After installing this, you can see the setup was successful. Now close this and open the VS Code application. Now open it. And accept the agreement and click next and also click next and tick all the options and click next and install. After complete this, just finish. And now we need to create a new folder. Just right click and press on new and create a folder. Let's write Python. Now again right click on it and go to open with the code. Create a new file in this basic.py and make sure that our extension should be downloaded. Make sure that the run coder and Python should be downloaded, and I already installed it, so you should download it now. Let's write some code whether it is working or not. Run this. Now it's working, so it is the easiest way to download the VS Code. And thank you for watching the video. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to present lecture 1 of Python. Starting with what is meant by Python. Python is a high-level interpreter programming language. What is high-level language? High language means which is close to the human language. And what is meant by interpreted? Interpreted means the code runs line by line. Python was invented by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Python is a dynamic type because in Python we need not know the declare the variable type. It is a dynamic type. And let's see what it is used for, what Python is used for. Python is used in the web development for servers, and also used in the software development. Let's go to the another topic of the Python indentation. The indentation is one of the most important things in Python. Indentation refers to a space at the beginning of the code. Basically, it refers to a block of code. For example, if we write if 5 is greater than 1, we should do one tab space here. Now we should write the print statement. Print 5 is greater than 1. If we don't do a tab space here, it will be error. Let's see in the VS Code. Like copy this and go to the VS Code. Yes, print here. If you run this, you can see the code is running. 5 is greater than 1. If you don't do an indentation, if you don't give any indentation here, and let's check whether it is running or not. Here you can see that it is giving an error. Now let's go to the other topic called comments. Comments can be used to explain the Python code and makes the code more readable. Basically, Python ignores the comment. Basically, comments are two types. One is single line comment and another is multi-line comment. Single line comments start with the hash symbol. Start with the hash symbol. For example, you can type anything like it's starting with hash and write this is my first comment. If you want to do another comment in the next line, we should do another hash and write anything you want. In multi-line comment, we can use this so that we need not to do We need not to do as symbol for every line. For example, if you write anything in the first line and you can write the second line also, and you can end this. We call as comment. Now let's go to the another topic called variables. Variables are the container for storing the data. It is a container to store the data. Now, let's know how to create the variable. Python has no command for declaring a variable. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. I already said that Python is a dynamic type, so we do not need to declare its type. Let's create a variable. You can see that A is a variable and it's storing a data integer code file. And you can see that here B is a variable where it's storing a string called John. Now we can print this. Print A, and you can print. Let's write this code in VS Code. Now let's run this. You can see that 5 and John are printed. And variables do not need to declare with any particular type. I already said that it is a dynamically type. Let's know the rules to declare the variable. You cannot, there are some rules to write the variable name. Let's know the rules. A variable must name start with a letter or underscore. It should start with a letter or underscore. You cannot write the numbers or any other symbols. And another point is that a variable name cannot start with a number. You cannot start with any number. And variable must contain only alphanumeric characters, like it should contain only A to Z and 0 to 9 and underscore. Basically, variable names are case sensitive. It means that here the age is not same as age. Let's see the example here. If you declare age equal to 18 and the printed age, it gives an error here. And variable cannot use a Python keywords. Keywords means these are the predefined words. These are three different words which has some specific meaning in Python programming, like if statements, elif statements, else, and for, and while. These are some examples for keywords. Python allows you to assign values to multiple variables in one line. For example, x comma y comma z equal to, let's write any some fruit name, orange, banana, and let's write another name, cherry, and print this x, print y, print z. Let's write this code in yes and run this. You can see the orange, banana, cherry are given as output. We can also assign a variable by many values in only one line. As it's a basic lecture, let's print some text. While printing the text, we should enclose with the code, double quote, like hello. While printing the numbers, you need not use any double quotes here, just like 5. And you can run this. You can see that the output is given as hello and 5. Similarly, let's add two numbers with an operate plus operator. It's arithmetic operator. Let's declare a variable of 5 and another as 6. If we print a plus b, you can see the output as 11. As we know the rules how to give the variable names, let's write something. Variables can only start with a underscore or a digit in text. Let's start with underscore and declare a variable ab9 underscore something equal to 9 and print this. Print underscore ab8 underscore ws. Let's print this. You can see the output 9 here. Now let's remove the underscore and print this. You can see again 9 as output because it can only start with the underscore or and text, a character. If you start with a digit, let's say 9, you can clearly see that it's given as a red and shows the error. Let's write 9 and put it. You can clearly see that it's giving us error because the variable name cannot start with a number. So this and let's use for a case sensitive word. Let's write age equal to 9 and Write a capital AGE. You can clearly see the and let's write this. You can clearly see that it's giving an error. Uh, Next, another rule is we cannot use the Python keywords as a variable. Okay, let's try if equal to 9 and let's print it. Again, you can see that it's giving us an error here. So we cannot use the keywords as a variable name. So this is for today, guys. Let's see in another lecture. Thank you.